Hello friends, today we are going to make some lovely squid with some Schezwan. We have some oil, we have a Schezwan, we have some chopped red and yellow capsicum, 2 green chilies which are chopped, we have a couple of onions, maybe 3, we have some spring onions, we have a famous sweet soy sauce, we have some dark soy sauce. So let's begin. Wok is hot, let's add oil. Okay, to that we add onions. Okay, that's looking good. We'll add our squid rings, salt, half, some Ajinomoto, MSG, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce right now, just a dash. Cover and let it cook for a minute. Amount of water, so it's cooked. This time I'm going to add the whites of the spring onion and also the green chilies and capsicum. This time I'm going to add some more soy sauce. This is the dark type. We'll cook it on open. I'm going to add 2 and a little more. So that's 2.5 tablespoons. We are ready to add a sweet oyster sauce. Add spring onions, retaining a little bit later. I hope you like the video and the recipe. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when I post my next recipe. Thanks for watching, for your time, and I'll see you soon.